Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. I will be showing you today how to unlock any ZTE model. I will be unlocking a Blade X. So the first step is to go to the dial screen and dial the following: *#06#. A 15-digit number will appear on the screen. Write down this number as we will need it in our next step. Remember guys, we will be doing every step together, and you will be able to use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide after we are done. Let's go ahead and turn off our phone, and the next step takes place in our computer. Go to the website unlockpanda.com. In here we will have to enter some information about the phone. So let's go ahead and enter the information about the original carrier. This means the carrier which the phone is currently locked to. On my case, it's a Cricket Wireless in the United States. Just scroll down and look for it. Now under manufacturer, let's look for ZTE. And then you have to search for the model. In my case, it's a Blade X. And now we have to enter our email number, which was the 15-digit number we found out on our previous step. And lastly, enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code. And at the bottom you will have a chance to look at the cost and the delivery time. So it is not free, but believe me, it's a small price to be able to use your phone with any carrier. On the following page you will have a chance to review all the information, make sure everything is correct. If everything looks good, let's go ahead and do the payment through PayPal. After we are done with the payment, we should receive an email just like this. The email will have step-by-step instructions as well as the unlock code. Okay, so now we have to go back to our phone. Make sure your phone is turned off. And let's go ahead and insert an invalid SIM to the phone. On my case, any SIM except Cricket Wireless will do the job. So let's insert one from AT&T. And then we have to turn on the phone again. So as you can see, the process is very simple. We are almost done, we just have one step to go. When the phone is turned on, you will automatically get a message asking for an unlock code. There you go. So here is where you have to enter the unlock code that you got on your email. Keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time and only for this specific model. Make sure you enter the code without mistakes. After we are done entering the unlock code, go ahead and enter OK. And you should have unlocked your phone. Let's go ahead. And there you go guys, your phone is unlocked. You're free to use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Thanks for watching guys. Give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.